Save the Children's mission is to support children wherever they are in the world for access to education, for health, and to have the future that they deserve.
Training is really important in our retail team across Save the Children. We have 81 shops, over 2,000 volunteers.
And they have to know everything from customer service to safeguarding to gift aid.
So we have a lot of processes that we need all of our shops to work together and have that consistency across the country so that all our shoppers get a really positive experience when they're shopping with us.
Historically, a lot of our training has been very paper-based.
And it was just very mind-numbing. It was really boring.
Hi, and welcome to this training all about gift aid.
When I first saw Attensi, I thought it was fun, engaging, interactive.
This is more like a game.
So you're popping bubbles, you're swiping left and right.
It was so different to anything that we've got and anything that I've seen in the charity sector in general. And the way that it's set up, that it encourages you to try again, is really valuable. I think it allows people to to fail and not to worry about that.
So there's no judgment, oh, you did it wrong.
You feel like you're in control of it, and that kind of builds people's confidence.
I've struggled with understanding things like gift aid, and it's helped explain it in a way because I've done it over and over again.
And the fact that they don't have to sit on a 2-hour long boring course, that they can dip in and out of it and just do 5-10 minutes here and there whenever they've got the time.
This is something you can do on the go as well.
People can use it on their phones when they're commuting, on the bus.
They can use it in the shop, they can use it when they're at home. So it means that they've got that flexibility in how they learn and when they learn.
I just think it's so inclusive that anybody can do it.
And that's really important to us because we want to have our shops as accessible and as inclusive as possible. So being able to accommodate different learning styles is brilliant.
Attensi Creator is the software that we use to create all the games.
Kind of the behind the scenes bit of Attensi.
You can set up your games and your avatars for the characters. You can set up the maps with the journeys.
And it's really easy to use. It's very intuitive. I love using the AI generated bits of it as well. I think that's really, really helpful.
So we use our existing guides, our PDFs that we might have, and upload those and then get AI to create the questions from those guides that we have already. In fact, we've coined a term for it. We call it Attensifying. So we intensify our guides and that turns them into the games.
It's such a time saver, it prevents any duplication.
Attensi gives that consistency. It means that we've got the same message going to everybody and we know who's been trained in what and how they've received that message. So it's been really, really helpful from that point of view.
We found Attensi format has been really good.
It's definitely made me a better employee here.
We've been able to measure the impact that Attensi is having on our retail teams, particularly in areas such as gift aid.
We upgraded our gift aid training last year and intensified it. We've seen that our conversion rate has increased from 2024 to now from 26 to 29%. And also the number of donors that we've signed up has tripled. Doing some crude maths, we estimate that to be worth around £90,000 extra in gift aid that we've been able to claim this year.
So we're really excited by Attensi and the potential to use it with the videos, the graphics. It's completely different to anything that we've done before.